Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preserving your library because restoration matters. Backup playlists and settings now. Once done, record the app and OS versions and any exact error text so you can target fixes. Next, close the music app and force quit any background audio processes. This clears locked files. Make sure to restart the device if the app still hangs. That often releases resources. These first actions set you up to repair without losing data and make troubleshooting efficient. You now dive into the app internals. Clear the cache and remove temp files to eliminate corruption. This speeds load and resolves phantom skips. Once done, repair or rebuild the library database because mismatched indexes cause missing tracks and crashes. If the app offers a repair tool, run it. Otherwise, replace the database with a backed up copy. Make sure to reauthorize your account and refresh streaming tokens so playback resumes. After these steps, test by playing several offline and online tracks to confirm stability. You finish by reinstalling the app if corruption remains. Uninstall, then reinstall while keeping your backup safe so you can restore. Once reinstalled, verify app permissions for storage, network, background playback, and the selected audio output to prevent silent failures. If playback still fails, reset the app settings to defaults and try again. As a final troubleshooting tip, collect logs, note exact error messages, and the backup timestamp, then contact support. They need those details to solve edge case failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.